Hello students, welcome back to the 7th video of this playlist. In this video, we will be solving question number 7 from the most recent past paper of Pure Mathematics 2, which is the May 2024 P2 regional paper. So let's get started with question number 7. At first, part 1. In part 1, the question is asking to solve for x greater than or equal 0 less than 2 pi the equation 3 sin x tan x equals to 11 plus cos x, giving the answers in radians to 3 decimal places. Okay, so we need to solve this trigonometric equation. Okay, so for part 1, it's given as 3 sin x tan x. So 3 sin x tan x can be written as sin x tan x can be written as sin x over cos x. So this is equals 11 plus cos x. Okay, so now multiply both sides by cos x. So you will get 3 sin squared x sin x. It is basically sin squared x equals to, as you multiply both sides by cos x, it will become 11 cos x plus cos squared x. Okay, so to solve the equation, we should have all the terms uh, of same trigonometric ratio. So here we got sin squared x, so let's convert it to cos squared x, because on the right hand side we have cos x. So sin squared x can be written as 1 minus cos squared x. From the identity, sin squared x plus cos squared x equals to 1. So now take all the terms to the right hand side. Okay, so before that, multiply the bracket, so you will get 3 minus 3 cos squared x equals to 11 cos x plus cos squared x. Okay, now take all the terms to the right side, so cos squared x plus 11. Okay, this is cos squared x and this is negative 3 cos squared x. If you take it to the right side, so it will become positive 3 cos squared x. So total 4 cos squared x plus 11 cos x plus 3 will become negative 3 equals to 0. Okay, now we can apply the middle term factorization method. So 4 cos squared x plus 12 cos x minus cos x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so from here we can take 4 cos x common, so you will have cos x here and then plus 3. It's not 12x, it is just 12 cos x. Okay, so plus 3, and then from the last two terms we can take negative 1 common, so you will have the factor cos x plus 3. Okay, so either cos x equals to 1 over 4 or cos x equals to negative 3, but cos x, the value for cosine, we know that the maximum value of cosine is basically 1 and the minimum value is negative 1. So cos x equals to negative 3, it is not acceptable. Okay, so now we need to find the values of x using the cast diagram and considering the given range of x. Okay, so it is from 0 to 2 pi. So from 0 to 2 pi, there will be two quadrants. Okay, there will be two quadrants where cos theta is positive. So this is basically the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Okay, so let's use the calculator. The calculator should be in radian mode, keep that in mind. So cos inverse 1 over 4, that is basically 1.318118116.072, that much radian. Or another one would be, this is the one we got. Okay, and another one is basically this one. So this is basically 2 pi minus x, 2 pi minus the one we got earlier, 2 pi minus 1.31 ... that much radian. So x equals to 1.3. They asked to 3 decimal places. Okay, they asked to write to 3 decimal places. So 1.318 radian. It is basically 1.318 radian, or, okay, not or, just use a comma. Okay, so 2 pi minus 1.318116072. So that would give you 4. To 3 decimal places, this is 4.965 radian. These are the solution to the given trigonometric equation. That's it. Fine. Okay, next is part 2. In part 2, the question says, given that theta greater than 0 less than 90 degree, cos theta equals to 1/3. So find in simplest form the exact value of tan theta. Okay, so cos theta is given as 1/3, right? So for part 2, cos theta equals to 1/3. So we know that tan theta equals to tan theta. Okay, tan theta equals to sine theta over cos theta. So we know the value for cos theta, it is 1/3. So the value for sine theta would be, we know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, this is equals to 1. So from there we can find out the value for sine theta. Okay, so sine squared theta would be 1 minus cos squared theta, that is 1 minus 1 over 9. This is sine squared theta. Okay, so sine theta would be plus minus square root of take LCM 9, so 9 minus 1. So this is basically the value for sine theta. It is plus minus square root of 8 over 9. Okay, so square root of 8 over 9, it is basically 2 square root of 2 over 3. But given that theta is greater than 0 less than 90 degree, so that means the theta, it lies on the first quadrant. So since the value for theta, it lies in the first quadrant where sin theta is positive, so sin theta would be 2 square root of 2 over 3. So therefore we need the value for tan theta. So tan theta would be sin theta over cos theta. So 2 square root of 2 over 3 divide 1 over 3. So if the 1 over 3 is taken to the top, it will get reversed, it will get inversed. So 2 square root of 2 over 3 times 3, this is just 2 square root of 2. That's the value for tan theta, and that's what part 2 of question number 7 has asked for. Fine.